everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video I'm gonna teach you how to make a really nice baked pork chop. It's very easy and simple, so this is my YouTube channel. Please hit like and subscribe so you can be notified every time I uploaded a video. So we need a pork chop, I need a lemon, soy sauce, ketchup, grainy mustard, black pepper, Worcestershire sauce, salt, and of course honey. So this honey is very important because this is one that will give a really nice flavor for our pork chop. So let's start. We need to mix all together the ingredients and leave it in one side. Make sure we wash the pork chop. Right, let's put it in a wooden board. That's right. Gonna bang. Okay, baking tray. Let's arrange the pork chop. All this sauce we're gonna go into awesome. See? Need to cover it. Preheat the oven 200 degrees Celsius, conventional oven. Okay, let's set it to 1 hour because I need 10 minutes to make this hot, and I want the pork chop to be really cooked, you know. For 40 minutes. And then it's done.